Here's what we'll be covering throughout this course. Within the workflow, we'll be covering the various applications that comprise the factory design process. Those are AutoCAD architecture and Inventor primarily, as well as Vault and additional applications. With that established, we'll touch upon what the asset library is and why that is important. And hopefully, by the end, we'll have provided you with the framework to simplify your own process. Here are the products that we'll be covering here. The Factory Design Utilities application is something that is installed but does not really represent a typical application. What it does is adds add-ins within AutoCAD Architecture, Inventor Professional, and Vault Professional. Within AutoCAD and Inventor Professional, you will have a factory ribbon. Within Vault Professional, it adds factory design capabilities to the Vault application. In addition to the products that we are covering, I want to touch upon those that we won't be covering. There are three products that are involved within the factory design process that we will not be covering here. Those three products are Navisworks, BIM 360, and Recap. For Navisworks, that is typically utilized to provide factory walkthroughs. It provides clash detection, and it serves as a very effective large-scale viewer. On the BIM 360 side of things, there is the factory information that is around the files and models that you generate from the factory design process. It also allows you to store data within the docs or design applications. And finally, for BIM 360, there is Glue that provides some clash detection, similar to Navisworks. And the last application that we will not be touching upon is Recap. Recap provides reality and point cloud capture, and it also allows you to manage scans of your existing factories.